Hello student, in my last session I explained you how to do the binary addition. So in this session I am going to explain you how to do the binary subtractions and multiplication. Okay. So for that you just look at the screen just here. Uh, Now in the binary subtractions, we have to follow a table as similar to as what binary addition. In the addition also we have followed a table, that is 1 plus 0 it is 1, 0 plus 1 it is 1, 1 plus 1 it is 1 0, in such a way. Okay, here also you are being a table, you just look at the table and you have to follow the table in your subtractions. 0 minus 0 it is 0, 1 minus 0 it is 1, 1 minus 1 it is 0. Till this much you understood. But how to 0 minus 1 it is given 1, how it is happened? Okay, there is a question how it is happening like this. You just see the number is borrowed when 1 is subtracted from the 0, that is 1, and then it will be 1 0. 1 0 is nothing but what? 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, now what it is actually, if I am 0 you have to minus 1, then we have to carry a number that will be 1, that it becomes 1 0. So 1 0 is nothing but the 2. 2 minus 1, that is your 1. Okay, so that's where we are getting 1. Now the first example you just see here, it is simple and you can understand it. Okay, now look at here, that will be simple subtraction, but before that, just like your addition, I told you to find out the decimal equivalent number and you subtract the result, you got the result and you tally the result when you do the binary subtraction. Now this is 1111 is nothing but what? It is the 50 binary equivalent. 1010 it is nothing but the what? It will be 10. Okay, when I am minus 15 minus 10, then it is the result will be 5. So this result should be 5. 0 subtracted from 1, that is 1. Here from the table 1 minus 1, that is 0. 1 minus 0, that is 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Now it is 101. Actually the number is what? 101. So now that is will be 1. It is 0 and it is 4. So it is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 it is 4. 2 to the power 1 is 2, but multiply with 0, that is 0. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1, that is 1. Okay. Now 4 plus 0 plus 1, what the result will be? That will be 5. So now the 5, it will be equivalent to 5. Now the next number when we are subtracting, that will be I am explaining in the separate way. So certain thing I have to tell you first. You just look it here. Now look at here. What happened when we are subtracting 100, 99 from 100? What happened here? I have to carry 1 here, so it becomes 1 0. So the balance here it will be 0. Now it is 1 0. It will be carried again to 1 here. This is 1 0. And this became what? It is given 1 to it. So 10 minus 1. What is the balance here? The balance will be 9. Okay. So the balance will be 9. So 10 to 9, that will be coming 1. 9 to 9, that will be 0. And this is already 0. So what is the result? 1. Okay. The same way in the binary subtractions also we have to do like this, such a way. Just you look at here, the number I am taking from the book, the same example I am explaining, so it will be easy for you. The number will be what? 1, then your 1, then your 0, then your 0, and this will be 0, 0, 1, 1. That you have to subtract. Okay. Now first, what is the number? First, this number is what? It will be what? 8 plus 4, that will be 12. And this will be 3. 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So what is the result if we subtract? That is the minus 9. Okay. So that will be becomes the 9. Now what to do here? Now you have to 0 to minus 1, it will be not possible. Again before that home, just like your 100 minus 99, you have to carry. So first you have to carry the number to here. Okay, this became 1 0. and the balance will be here 0. Okay, now this is the 0. Now here what happened, this is 1 0, so this is 1 0 is nothing but in what actually it is 2. Okay, now this 2 will be given 1 to it, so it becomes 1 0 and it becomes what, 1. How it is becomes 1? From 2, if we give 1 to carry to the other column, then now it becomes what? 2 minus 1 what? It will be 1. Just like your 10, if you give 1 to it, it becomes 10 and it becomes 9. Same way it is 2. 2 to 1 it will given. This is 2. It is given 1. So now it became what? The balance will be what? 1. And here it is what? 0. So 1 0, that is became the 2. Okay, 1 if equity, that is 2. Okay, the balance will be 2. So 2 to 1, that will be coming 1. Now here what it will be, the balance is 1. 1 to 1, it will be 0. Now it is already balance is 0, then it will be 0. And this will be what? 1. Okay, so this is the result, 1 0 0 1. Okay, what is the result? It is 2 to the power 0. It is 2 to the power 1, it is 2 to the power 2, it is 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 is nothing but what? 8. Then 0 into multiply 4, 0. Then 0 will be multiplied with 2, 0. 2 to the power 0, it is 1. So what it will be? 9. So this result is what? It is be 9 and it is equivalent to 9. Okay. Now all of you clear about it? This is the subtractions. Okay, now we come back to the for the multiplications. What happened in the multiplications? You just look at here in the multiplications. Binary multiplication, again you have to follow the same table. 0 into 0 it is 0, 0 into 1 it is 0, 1 into 0 it is 0, and 1 into 1 into 1. That will be sum. But when we add, then the number will be coming up and we do the normal addition. That binary addition you have to follow. Okay, now here you see 101 into multiply by 5. So 11 into 5. So what it will be? You see here, not it is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. You see here 1 into 1, 55. This will be 55. So this will be 5 and this will be 11. Not 11, 5 into this. I'm doing mistake here. This will be 11, not 11, 1 1. The value will be decimal number will be what? It will be 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So what is the result? The result, if we multiply, we will get the 15. Okay, what is the result? 15. 101 is the 5, 11 is the 3. When we multiply this 5 into 3, then it becomes what? 15. Okay, never read like me. It is, don't do the mistake 11. Okay, sometimes the student, I'm also doing the mistake, you may also do the mistake. Sometimes the students will read it as a 11. Don't read it 11, you read it as a 1 1, and 101, that is 5, and 1 1 is equivalent to 3. When we multiply 5 into 3, that is nothing but what? 15. So we have to check our result will be, should be 15. Now you see 1 into, just like your decimal multiplication, you have to do it like this. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, again 1 into 1, you make a cross, and 1 into 1, 1 into 0, 1 into 1 1. So 1 plus 0, that is 1, 0 plus 1, it is 1, 1 plus 0, it is 1, and 1 plus 0, it is again 1. So this is 1 1 1 1. What is the result again? 1 1 1 1, that will be 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So equivalent to 15. Now you are getting your result, yes or no? That 15. Now another number you just see here. I am doing it again in the whiteboard again. You just look at here. The number I am explaining in the whiteboard. Just Now clear? Now I am to getting the all the things. You just see the multiplication I am taking from the book. What it will be? 1 1 1 1, and then it will be multiplied with 1 0 1. Okay, now you see here what happened. 1 into 1 1 1 and 1. You have to make the cross 0 0 0 0, make it 2 cross. Okay, now again 1 1 1 1. Now just you look at here for our easy task. Before it nothing will be there, we put the 0. Before it nothing is there, we have to put the 0. Okay, now if I have to add the number 1, this is 1 1 1 1 0, so we have to carry a number to 1. So 1 1 1, that will be 1 1, so carry the number 1. Okay, now that will be 1 plus 1, that is 1 0. Then 1 plus 1, it is carried the 1 again. So 1 plus 1 1 0. So what is the number? 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. This is the result. So that same task I am giving you, find out the decimal number. Okay, that is the decimal number you find out. Find out the decimal number again here, and you just tally that is whether it is correct or not. Okay, this is the task. So again I am doing the same thing again. You just see here multiplication symbol 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, you have to multiply it. So what happened? 1 1 ja 1 1 1 ja 1 1 1 ja 1 1 1 ja 1. So this is the number. Then 0 you have to put across 0 0 0 0. So 4 0 you have to given, 4 0 you have to given. Then again 1, so 1 1 1 1. So I told you before it is not there anything, so you put it 0 for your EG. Again you put 2 0 above it, so it will be easy to do the addition. So what you have to do? You have to do the addition. So 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 plus 0, it is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 1 0. 1 plus 1, that is what? 1 0. So your 0 you put and 1 you have to carry to the next column. Okay, so 1 has to be carried out here. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, that will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. So what it will be? 1 1. Okay, so 1 I have to put here and 1 I have to carry out again to the say next column. Okay, then 1 plus 1, that is 1 0 again. So 1 0 I have to put and 1 we have to carry out here. Then 1 plus 1, that is 1 0. Okay, so that is the result. The result will be what? 1 0 0, and that will be 1, then 0, and then 1 1. This is the result. Okay, so your task, you find out the decimal number, find out the decimal number, multiply both the number, find out the result and tally with this result. Okay, so I hope all of you understood what is how to do the binary subtraction and binary multiplications. Okay, so thank you for watching it. So next session I will explain you how to do the binary division. Okay.